So again, everyone 16 and older can now get the COVID-19 vaccine across the country. And that has been the case in our state for 2 weeks. Milwaukee health officials are watching vaccination rates. At the same time, Common Council members have questions after the pausing of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine after 6 women experienced blood clots. CBS 58's Brittany Lewis is live with answers from the health department tonight. Brittany.
Natalie, the health department says it had given out a little more than 1,500 doses before the pause.
It's a small percentage.
The Milwaukee Health Department shared information about where the vaccine had been given out, including at shelters and a few churches.
Is there any direct reach out to the actual residents who receive?
So there has been some. I think it's a little bit challenging in some of these cases where there's shelters. I think it's a little bit harder to get a hold of some people. I do know some of the organizations have contacted everyone.
Members of the Common Council asked the health department to try to notify each person who had received the shot. They also requested a map to see where in the city it was given out.
We saw a reduction in people getting the vaccine probably 5 to 7 days before J&J hit the pause button. So it's hard to know what came first.
Dr. Ben Weston with Milwaukee County's Office of Emergency Management says the one-shot Johnson & Johnson vaccine had also been used at the Kosciuszko Community Center site. He says they reached out to people who had received it.
Just notified them that there were these findings. The risk is extremely low. I think they still made a very good decision getting the vaccine. If Johnson & Johnson is back and available in a week, I still think it's an outstanding vaccine.
Common Council President Cavalier Johnson was joined by county leaders in getting his second shot of the Moderna vaccine at the Kosciuszko site Monday. He says right now about 20% of Milwaukee is immunized.
We need everybody to do their part.
If you want to get the Pfizer or Moderna vaccine, the Wisconsin Center is always an option. You don't need an appointment. You can simply walk in. Reporting live in Milwaukee, Brittany Lewis, CBS 58 News.